Take a ride in the 2015 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.